Like it doesn't show in front.
Oh, I turned it off to save the battery.
I think I'm gonna do a try.
Oh, at East House? Okay, put those cans in there. Yep. And you can close that door. Yeah, it sounds like you starting to develop allergies. And you know another thing I used to do too, and I even got your mom doing it, like when I'm walking, I always look down on the ground because people, they'll have money and they'll just toss like change because they don't want to carry it in their wallet. Okay. So sometimes you'll find pennies, you know, they add up, but it takes a lot of them. But you'll find dimes, nickels, quarters, you know, especially like if you walk over to like ShopRite in the parking lot, or like that strip mall where you have Walgreens and all those stores.
Yeah.
Man, you'll find a lot of change out there because people will come out of the store and they'll have like 15 cents and they just throw it on the floor because they don't want it. Trust me, I used to do that for a long time. And after a while, you put them in a bottle and then before you know it, you got like $20 in there or $15 or whatever the case may be. All right, we got a long drive to go. That metal.
I mean, certain ones, like flying cockroaches.
Oh, I just don't like those. Come back here. Yeah, these tires, I don't know where to take rub tires to be recycled, but
some like clips, like they'll cut it in half, not like in half on both sides, like just cut them like right here on the side like that, and they just cut them here, then it starts like chopping them in small pieces, like shredding.
yeah. You can open up the back for me, please. How you doing? How you doing? Hey, what's up, bro? Remember I was here the other day, I delivered these?
Oh, yeah, you did.
Yeah, I came back to get some scrap metals out of here. I'm gonna just take like a few pieces.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, bro, thank you. I think we only, oh, there's 2 more. Oh, there's another piece over there. Yeah, I'm gonna jump in there and grab that. I'll throw it back in once we're done.
Hey, sir, I didn't get your name.
I'm Quincy.
Quincy?
Yeah.
All right, sir. Got a refrigerator, stainless steel.
Hell yeah.
All right.
I could probably, I got like a dolly. Yeah.
The problem is trying to get it out. So
Let's take a look at it. Go ahead, Darryl. Finish with that. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna back up right here, just to get it a little closer. I left that one so it can keep the door propped open. I'll back up and get a little closer.
that's stainless. It's a different price. It's more money.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. You think I could throw it on top of all that?
Yeah, we should be able to do
On
something.
top of that?
If not, I'll help you organize it.
So it turns out that they had more scrap sitting idle. You get that refrigerator right here. And here's the scrap that I saw yesterday when I was doing a delivery. So we're gonna see what we can get for this, man. It's a lot of scrap. This gentleman right here was nice and, oh, you cut yourself too, big bro. Right here on your shoulder, on the back. See it?
It ain't bad. It's just scrap. Yeah, all right.
That was a lot of work, right? Yeah. Good looking. That was a lot of work. Now let's go see. Let's see what we can get for this. Heading over to CM Metals, huh?
He helped a lot.
Yeah, he did. He did. I'm grateful for that.
That's my first time seeing copper.
Yeah, that's what it looked like. All right, so we're gonna head over to CM Metals right now, and we're gonna see what type of magic we could work. Thanks to George. Appreciate you, man. You really helped me out a lot. You added a lot of net worth to this first time trash hauling. CM Metals. All right, here we are, CM Metals. We are at CM Metals. Let's see what we can get. CM Metals, baby. I'm not sure if I come in this way or the other way.
is done over there.
Okay.
Metal. ACR separate and wire and copper. The way up empty. Parking and the blue car, orange car, and the way depot metal.
Okay.
ACR copper wire. Copy?
A little bit. I don't understand too much. Not, yeah, that too, yeah. Yep. Alright, so we just dumped over there. All the steel went over there. This is aluminum. A little bit of a more higher price. Got my wires there, and then I got my copper with just aluminum, 2 motors, more copper, and motor. How you feeling like this type of self-work? It's not that hard, right? For you? But it could be. Yeah, we're gonna see what we can get, man. Just got off the scale right there. Got Darryl over there. He hustling too. We're gonna see what we can get. My man Junior, my man.
What's up?
That's my son right there, Darryl. Darryl, this is Junior.
This, when you're doing anything with wires, cut that. Let's get my language. I was gonna cut the wires off. It's 85 cents a pound for the lowest grade.
Yeah.
Remember I was telling you?
Yeah. I cut most of them in there, but this one I couldn't get.
Metal, you got to get the metal out before anything, because then you put it
for the motors, right? That's what I was.
So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna teach you this. I don't have a problem with things. What I want you to do is come over here.
Drill them out, right?
Take my drill. I'm gonna give you that for you to do it. I give you permission to do my shit. 1 second.
I'm gonna go buy some tools after this too. I'm gonna get me a drill.
Drill, and you need wire cutters at the back.
And wire cutters, yeah. I'm gonna get the chain cutters.
There you go. Take that out.
All right.
Here on the side, you can have HDRN, it's only 50 cents a pound. All right, you cut this on the side right here. Come around, so you can see. When you cut this,
What I'm gonna use to cut that?
a Sawzall.
Oh, I gotta buy one of those too.
And also buy a bandsaw so you can clean up your copper.
Okay.
All right, but then the grip will be clean, and then you'll have the ends. Then you got the compressor, then you got the brass, then you got another compressor, and then you got all the wiring in there. And then you got number two. So you got nothing. You can take it home and do it, make more money, or
Yeah, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it home.
This one
How much is it with if I?
This one. You cut it. It depends. You could, if you want to clean it up. Once you separate everything.
What if I do it now?
You're just gonna get steel price.
Steel price.
Yes.
Okay.
You might as well take it home and then practice with that one.
Okay.
But when you cut, you already did. So all the freon came out.
Yeah. I appreciate you though, man. It's a nice little side hustle thing. I never even knew of it.
Ah, it is.
You gonna stop bringing it?
I'll stop bringing it.
Well, I'm happy you. They should give you something for that, man.
Back up.
I'm gonna tell them you're a good guy, man. You know.
I think he is joking around, but at the end of the day, my job is
to inform people, yeah. Because we don't know. It's my first time. Right. All right. right, guys, we just finished up and we got our earnings. We made about 70 bucks. Would have been more, but I didn't know we were supposed to bring a sawed-all to cut the motors. So there's our cash. There's our receipt. Darryl, thank you.
Thank
Entrepreneur. I got to give him his cut out of that. He's going to get 30%.